What if I told you that you don't weigh the same everywhere on Earth, that your scale is lying to you depending on where you're standing, that in some places you could jump like an astronaut, and in others you'd feel like you're carrying an invisible elephant on your back? Welcome to the world of gravity anomalies, weird physics and places where the laws of nature tilt, just a little. Today we're traveling around the planet to answer one wild question. Where on Earth do you weigh the most? And where do you weigh the least? Starting at the equator, where the Earth's bulge due to rotation makes you lighter than anywhere else, we uncover a fascinating truth about gravity's influence. Then we travel to the North Pole, where the cold air mixes with an astonishing gravitational pull, causing the scale to tip in a surprising direction. As we explore these unique locations, the science behind your weight shifts from one place to another, unfolds with incredible clarity. What is weight really? Your weight is the force of gravity pulling your mass toward the center of the Earth. Your mass stays the same, but your weight changes depending on gravity's strength where you are. Earth isn't a perfect sphere. It's slightly flattened, wider at the equator and squished at the poles. That shape is called an oblate spheroid. Because of that, gravity isn't uniform everywhere. It also depends on what's under your feet. If you're standing over a dense mass of rock, gravity pulls stronger. If you're over an area once covered by ice that melted, you can weigh less. Different celestial bodies provide unique gravitational experiences. Astronauts test how weight changes when they step onto the moon's surface, where gravity is weaker than on Earth. Understanding gravity across planets helps us comprehend how weight changes beyond Earth. Students explore this concept through hands-on experiments that reveal the fascinating nature of gravitational forces. Gravitational interactions extend beyond our planet. They influence the orbits of celestial bodies. This is especially evident in the presence of black holes, where gravity's force dramatically shapes the cosmos. Let's start with places where you weigh less. That's right. There are places on Earth where you can lose weight without breaking a sweat. One such place is Mount Huascarán in Peru, where the high altitude near the equator allows you to weigh up to 0.5% less. Another fascinating spot is Hudson Bay, a true gravity anomaly where the melting ice causes the land to rebound, resulting in less gravity. Finally, in Quito, Ecuador, located right on the equator, you can experience weighing 0.3 to 0.5% less due to the outward centrifugal force created by Earth's spin. These unique locations not only offer breathtaking views, but also an intriguing scientific phenomenon where gravity plays a lesser role in your weight. Exploring these places reveals not just geographic beauty, but also the wonders of physics and how our environment can influence even the simplest aspects of our lives. Climbers on Mount Huascarán experience not only the thrill of adventure, but also feel slightly lighter as they reach higher altitudes, crafting unforgettable memories. Now let's go to places where you weigh more. Zones of intense gravity where jumping feels like dragging a truck and every pound counts. In the colossal Himalayas, towering above subsurface mass creates higher gravity pulls, making every step feel heavier, while satellites have measured stronger gravitational tugs in these regions. At the North and South poles closer to the Earth's center, one could weigh up to 0.5% more than at the equator, making each movement feel increasingly challenging. In these unique locations, the differences in gravitational pull can be fascinating as they reveal how the Earth's shape and density impact our weight. These discoveries not only captivate our imagination, but also challenge the way we understand our own bodies in relation to the vast forces of nature. Experiencing these places can leave one feeling like a heavyweight champion as the pull of gravity transforms even the simplest actions into monumental efforts. As the sun sets over the majestic Himalayas, one can't help but feel the weight of history and gravity intertwining, reminding us of the powerful natural forces at play. This wasn't always obvious, but centuries ago explorers noticed that pendulums didn't swing the same everywhere. 17th century expeditions revealed gravitational differences. Today, satellites like GRACE let us map Earth's gravity field. We see areas where gravity dips or rises due to glaciers, tectonic eruptions. The understanding of gravity has evolved through centuries of exploration and scientific discovery. Each expedition has contributed layers to our knowledge, revealing the complexities of our planet's gravitational characteristics. These discoveries continue to inform our understanding of climate change and natural disasters. Understanding gravity variations helps us prepare for challenges that lie ahead. By studying these phenomena, we can better anticipate how our planet will change over time. The integration of technology allows us to explore uncharted territories of scientific understanding. Now let's exaggerate. What if you traveled just to change your weight? Huascaran shows 155.4 tarsubs, the Dead Sea displays 157.0 subs, and Hudson Bay reflects 154.5 tarsubs. That's nearly 3 pounds difference just by changing location. Imagine marketing that as a weight loss trick. Gravity Spa, travel yourself lighter. People would flock to exotic destinations hoping to shed those stubborn pounds while soaking in the sun and enjoying the local culture. Picture travelers checking into the Gravity Spa resort, unsure of whether they're there for relaxation or weight loss. The allure of this unique experience would attract curious minds, eager to discover if traveling really could change their bodies. Imagine the joy on their faces as they step off the scale, excited to see those numbers drop just by visiting a new place. And if you think that's wild, on the moon you'd weigh just 16% of your Earth weight. On Jupiter, almost 2.5 times more. Compared to that, Earth's variations seem small, but they affect satellites' sea levels and even your workouts. Picture a world where every step feels lighter or heavier depending on the celestial body you find yourself on. The tiny shifts in Earth's gravity can lead to significant changes in technology and personal routines, making us reconsider how we interact with our environment. So next time your scale gives you bad news, maybe you're just standing in the wrong place. Earth is weird. It spins, wobbles, squishes, and gravity is one of its coolest tricks. If you enjoyed this gravity trip, hit like, comment where you'd love to weigh less, and subscribe for more science that entertains. See you on the weird side of physics. Gravity brings us together in the most unexpected ways, whether it's through laughter or the mysteries of the universe. Every leap we take reminds us of gravity's playful nature, inviting us to explore the fun side of physics in our everyday lives.